our butter bread today, we'll begin with 3/4 of a cup of milk. To that, add 1/4 of a cup of water. Add 1 egg. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now whisk the ingredients thoroughly. This is my Breadmachine tub for baking. Pour in the liquid ingredients into the tub. Add 2 ounces of softened butter. Pour in 2 3/4 cups of bread flour. Finally, add 2 teaspoons of Breadmachine yeast. Set the bread machine setting to dough. After you've set it to dough, turn on the machine. When the dough is ready, turn it out onto a floured surface. Flour your hands and use a tuck and turn motion to shape the loaf. When the loaf is shaped, put it into a bread pan and be sure that as much of the dough is fitting into the corners of the pan as possible. Now cover the loaf. Let the loaf rise until the dough is about 1 inch above the height of the pan. To control the expansion of the bread, slit the loaf. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then bake your loaf for about 25 minutes. When the crust is golden, remove it from the oven and turn it out of the pan. Allow the bread to cool thoroughly before you begin to cut it. Hope you enjoy eating some of your butter bread.